Hello everybody, welcome to another YouTube video. I'm Ranka. Today we're going to do another 3 ingredients spicy, I'm going to do a spicy cabbage. We've got garlic butter. So I'll get the pan so I can put ingredients in. So we don't need that. So we got the garlic butter. So I'm going to get the knife. So I'm going to put my lunch. So I turn it on because we're on gas, so we're just going to wait for this garlic butter to melt, and then we're going to cut the cabbage. So we're going to put this in. So then we're going to put I'm not going to do too much. Now hello EA. So still, I'm going to put I'm not going to have much. So I've got the pot back on. If you guys want to try this, the 3 ingredients, like lunch or even roast, with 3 ingredients, subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Running us out. Bye.